Let's connect Exayard to n8n for workflow automation. In Exayard, open your account menu and head to Settings. Under Developer, find API keys and create one to start. Name the key anything you like, then click Create. Copy the key now. It shows only once, so keep it safe. Over in n8n, create a new workflow to build in. Every workflow needs a trigger. This one is manual. Add a step and search the node panel for Exayard. The Exayard node offers many actions to choose from. Browse them like projects, takeoffs, estimates, and bids. This example picks a simple action to test the connection. Open the credential drop-down and create a new credential. Paste your Exayard API key. The base URL is prefilled. n8n tests it instantly and the connection succeeds. The credential is saved and ready to reuse anywhere. Run the step to confirm it returns your account identity. Add another Exayard node. This one lists your projects. It reuses the same credential you just set up. Execute it, and n8n pulls back all your Exayard projects. Back in Exayard, the API log shows the call landed. And the projects match what your workflow returned. Both steps run green, so the basics are working. Now let's go further and add an AI agent. Give it any chat model to think with. This demo uses an Anthropic Claude model. Set up its credential by pasting that provider's API key. Connection tested and the model is wired in. Pick whichever model version fits your needs. Next, give the agent a tool it can call. Search the tools and add Exayard as an agent tool. Here it lists projects, but any Exayard action works. The tool description can be set automatically. Finally, add a chat trigger to talk to the agent. Connect that chat trigger into the AI agent. The full workflow is now wired up end to end. Open the chat to try it out. Ask anything like, list all your Exayard projects. Send it, and the agent gets to work. It calls the model, then the Exayard tool to fetch data. Watch each node light up as the agent runs. Workflow executed successfully, and the data comes back. The agent replies with all your projects and their details. That's Exayard powering AI automations in n8n.